One family, and the family belonged to 12 ladies and one husband.
Oh, okay.
My father married 12 ladies, and actually he didn't jump high to get all 12 wives. In their time, they don't jump for ladies, they kill lions.
Yeah.
So he killed 12 lions for 12 ladies.
Okay.
Here we are brothers, sisters, parents. We have also grandchildren in this family. So the number of people live in the family, all in children, we are 226 people live in the family. Yeah.
But only for your father?
Only for my father. And we still need also to get a lot of ladies in this family, because I have many single brothers of me, and we want all of them to jump high and get more ladies. So maybe next time, if you come back again, you found us, we are 500 or 600 people live in this. That one is a bed for the kids, they sleep here.
Okay.
And this is a chair, small chair also for sitting.
Yeah.
That one is another long chair behind you.
Okay.
And also here we call kitchen table. This is the kitchen table. Yeah. So all inside of the houses are the same. And also you don't find mosquito inside, no snakes, no dangerous animals.
Why?
Because of the cow dung and also smoke. So the goats and sheep, we have good place for them to keep them. You see in the middle of two houses there,
Yep.
that is the place of goats and sheep.
They sleep there?
Yeah. The big cows, we normally keep them in the middle of the home
Okay. Here?
to make them safe.
Okay.
Because every night we have many leopards. Wait.
So this fire flame, we do barbecue.